Hey guys, today we will be making this centerpiece using mason jars. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You will need 3 mason jars, 2 leaf garlands. One's going to be for the mason jars and the other just for garland. You're also going to need a thing of rope, some modge podge, and a few cinnamon sticks. And I forgot to mention a charger. Alright, with the first garland, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be popping the tops off of these leaves and then removing the brown stuff so that it will lay a little bit better on the mason jars. I ended up putting a little bit of adhesive glue on the leaves just to get them to stick a little faster to the mason jar while I put the Mod Podge on it. So as you can see, I ended up doing 3 of the jars, and on this one, I realized that I didn't take the brown stuff off the leaf. So when I realized, I ended up going back, removing it, and then just putting a layer of the Mod Podge on it. Okay, what you guys see now is me just pressing down on the edges. For some reason, when I did that, the edges just stick better. So, yeah, I just did that. All right, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of the E6000 and hot glue to give it a better long-lasting hold. Let me know what season is you guys' favorite. I was born in fall, so fall is my favorite season. There's just something about the colors and the crisp air. I love fall. But yeah, leave me a comment with your favorite season. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I love how it came out. And here it is with a few LED lights in it. Thank you guys for watching.